May wine naman tayo dyan eh.
Lagyan natin ng konting spring onions. Okay, actually sir, yun na po yun. Hindi natin kailangan overcook yung seafoods. So, anong sir matatawag natin dyan? Lagyan natin dito. Hindi ko rin alam yung pangalan eh. Ha?
Seafoods a la Chef Paolo.
Yeah. Medyo may konting harot. Okay. Okay. And then, sir, salamat. Thank you po. So, seafoods a la Chef Paolo with Sir Nelson. Tama po. Okay, salamat po, sir. Oh, Ronel. Sir, pwede mo mag-igas. Ayan. Okay. Picture. Pwede ba tayo mag-picture?
Picture.
Oh, picture. Palapakan nyo naman si Sir Ronel. Come on.
Yes!
Okay. May request, ha? May nagpapadala ng tissue.
Para talaga tayo nasa...
Yan. Tikman, syempre ng chef. Yan, sarap, oh. Wow. 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 Sarap. Konting parmesan. So that's the fourth dish. So yung ginawa natin dyan, may Knorr liquid seasoning. Yung po nagdala ng flavors na lahat. Everything, may tomato sauce. Lahat ng seafoods na natira, nandyan po lahat. Parmesan. Sobrang dali lang gawin, no? Again, ang principle ko lang po, simple lang. Basta edible, pwede po siyang lutuin, magiging masarap. No problem. So once again, I am Chef Paolo C of Unilever Food Solutions. This is